Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so good. How are you? Happy and ready. So today video denim crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today's video. Don't throw away your old jeans, turn them into beautiful useful crafts. Instead, here are some creative denim ideas you will love. Start with the denim bags. Cut out the legs of your jeans, stitch the bottom and add a strip. You have a trend-friendly bag perfect for shopping or casual outing. Make a denim storage bucket by warping strip of denim around a cardboard base. It's great for holding keys, toys, or makeup brushes. Turn pockets into wall organizers. Simple. Cut out the back pockets, put them on a piece of fabric, and hang it on your wall. Perfect for pens, knots, and small things. Creative denim concept. Creative denim concept by cutting circle layer to piece and fold around the edges. Cut simple, cute, simple, and washable. If you have love decoration, make denim worth the strip around a metal